Good day everyone! Today we are going to do the Bottle Cup and Crop Stick Tower Challenge. For this activity, we will use plastic bottle cups, crop sticks, and flat table. Our objectives are to improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, develop problem-solving skills, enhance focus and patience, and encourage creativity and balance. First, I will place the 2 bottle cups on the table. Next, we will carefully lay 1 crop sticks across the bottle cups. Then, I will add another pair of bottle cups on the top and continue alternating the bottle cups and crop sticks to build the tower. Just follow the instruction. Continue focus on what you do. I will work slowly and carefully to keep the structured balance. The tower falls, that's okay. I will simply rebuild it and try again. I will add another one. Okay, tips to our parents: encourage your child to complete the activity independently. Praise your child's effort and persistence, not just the finished tower. Let your child explore different ways to build and solve problems. Always supervise young children when using small materials. Thank you and have a nice day.